In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 methods by which you can use to get access to Sora invite code. It is no news that Sora just released the version 2.0, but the problem is you have to get an invite code for you to get in. Now, the very first method is for you to try out this new code that is working, and I guess it is working for everybody. Try it out. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you. If that doesn't work, this is my own invite code. You can try it out. Also, let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Immediately you gain access to Sora, go to the bottom left corner. You will see where you can get your own invite code. You can use your invite code to open multiple accounts so that you can have multiple invite code. The very last method by which you can use to gain access to the invite code of Sora is for you to have an account on Discord. So you can download the Discord app on your device and then sign up. Once you have done that, go to Google and search for OpenAI official Discord server. Click on the very first link to get access to the Sora Discord server. Once you are there, look for the Sora code. Click on the Sora code and you will see a lot of people in the Discord server sharing their own invite code, so you can test it out and see if it works for you. Do let me know if any of this method works for you in the comment section. And once you are able to gain access to Sora, kindly share your invite code in the comment section to help other people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to like and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Bye.